Immune System, Biology 11, Unit 3. Allergies, tolerance, and rejection. Allergies, arthritis, cancer, and other diseases may be caused by disorders of the immune. Allergies. They're caused by reactions of certain class of antibodies with antigens that cause symptoms such as runny noses, swollen eyes, sneezing, coughing, rashes. Antibodies produced in the human body react to antigens such as pollen, dust mite, insect bites, animal hair, certain foods. So for example, I'm allergic to cat hair. So therefore, when cats are around, I sneeze. My eyes normally start to water. I start to cough. I get a runny nose. Some people have allergies in the spring or fall. They can have hay fever, or when pollen from when leaves are starting to come and being released in trees. The symptoms are caused by the release of histamines from body cells. Many medication for allergies includes antihistamines. So it gets your body to fight the release of the histamines. Tolerance. For the most part, the body does not destroy its own cells. This ability to tolerate various body cells is called tolerance. Transplant organs. When a person receives a transplanted organ, it is soon recognized as foreign by the recipient's immune system. This activates immune response, and the transplant is destroyed. This is known as rejection. Two ways in which we can control or lessen rejection to new organs include using a donor whose tissues match. So we're thinking about a relative. And they're as closely possible to the recipient. The other way is to suppress the immune system by using drugs. A negative consequence to the latter approach is an increased risk of infection because normal reaction to any sickness and or disease has been suppressed. The lymph. Lymph is a fluid composed of intercellular fluid. This fluid consists of plasma, which is our water and salts, protein, and nutrients. It is found in lymph vessels. The lymphatic system prevents body tissue from being flooded. Extra fluid around body cells is returned to the body by the lymphatic system. If this fluid stayed around body cells, they would flood and die. Lymphatic system. It has its own vessels. Lymph capillaries empty into other lymph vessels. At various places along the vessels, lymph nodes or lymph glands are located. They filter foreign particles from the lymph, such as bacteria and other pathogens. They also produce some white blood cells, which fight infection. Lymph is moved along the vessels by an action of muscles and one-way valves. In this respect, it is very similar to the movement of blood in veins. Lymph vessels. All of the lymph vessels from the left side of the body converge at the lymphatic vessel known as the thyroidic duct in the left side of the neck. The lymph empties from the thyroidic duct into a large vein at the left side of the neck. A similar situation exists for lymph vessels on the right side of the body. The total role of the lymphatic system in the body can be broken down into three main parts. First, it aids in the return of fluid from body cells to the circulatory system. So we're returning fluid from body cells to circulatory system. It also filters pathogens from the lymph, and it produces some white blood cells.